The average hiker replaces their shoes every 300 miles. That is $160 every 6 months going straight to a marketing budget, not to the rubber under your feet. There are 7 hiking shoe brands that flipped that model. Thru-hikers, professional guides, and military units use them. Most people at REI have never heard of them. Today we expose all 7. And number 1 was named the best wear anywhere hiking shoe of 2026 at $45 less than Salomon. Number 7, Adidas Terrex Skychaser AX5. Adidas is a $20 billion fashion company. Buried inside their outdoor line is one shoe the marketing department barely knows exists, because it makes everything else they sell look overpriced. The Terrex Skychaser AX5 retails for $100 non-waterproof and $120 with Gore-Tex. Salomon charges $175 for Gore-Tex. Merrell charges $160. Adidas charges $120. That $55 gap buys you nothing except a more recognizable name on the tongue of the shoe. The outsole uses Continental rubber, the same compound developed for wet road grip in performance tires. Not a proprietary mystery rubber, but documented grip from a company testing traction for decades. If you have been paying $175 for Gore-Tex, the AX5 is the discovery that makes you angry about every dollar you spent before finding it. Why it is a gold mine. Gore-Tex at $120 when everyone else charges $175. Continental rubber outsole, the most underpriced waterproof hiking shoe on the market. But number 6 backs their shoe with something no mainstream brand has ever offered. Number 6, Xero Shoes. Xero Shoes was founded in 2009 in Boulder, Colorado. The founding idea was simple: make shoes that let feet move the way feet are designed to move. No elevated heel, no motion control, no cushioning hiding the ground and training your muscles not to work. The TerraFlex retails for $110. Zero heel drop. That eliminates the forward lean standard hiking shoes create, and the knee and hip strain that orthopedic surgeons charge thousands of dollars to treat. Vivo Barefoot charges $180 for comparable minimalist construction. Xero delivers the same philosophy for $110 with a 5,000-mile warranty. Not a 1-year warranty. A 5,000-mile warranty because they back their rubber with mileage instead of time. No celebrity endorsements, no flagship store. The money other brands spend on marketing is the money Xero spends on the sole. Why it is a gold mine. Zero heel drop for natural movement. 5,000-mile sole warranty, $70 less than Vivo Barefoot for the same philosophy. Number 5 was built by people who left a big brand footwear because they were tired of building shoes designed around factory profits, not your feet. Number 5, Oboz. Oboz was founded in 2007 in Bozeman, Montana by former big brand footwear professionals who built the company around one principle: true to the trail. Every construction choice in every Oboz shoe answers one question: does this make the shoe better on trail? If not, it does not go in. The Sawtooth X Low retails for $130. The Trail Tread outsole is independently tested as outlasting comparable shoes from Merrell and Columbia on wet and dry terrain. The BF Fit insole is Oboz's own anatomical design, not an off-the-shelf insert. A purpose-built insole for a foot in motion on uneven terrain. For every pair sold, Oboz plants a tree. 3 million trees as of 2026. Most brands say they care about sustainability. Oboz has 3 million receipts. At $130 versus Salomon's $175, Oboz delivers comparable trail construction at $45 less. Why it is a gold mine: Montana-founded, trail-specific engineering. 3 million trees planted, $45 less than Salomon. Number 4 should make every Salomon buyer genuinely angry because the man who invented the rubber in their shoes left to build something better and cheaper. Number 4. Topo Athletic. Topo Athletic was founded in 2013 by Tony Post, the former CEO of Vibram USA. The man who ran the company that makes the most trusted outsole rubber in hiking left to build a hiking shoe. He left with one insight. Standard hiking shoes are too narrow at the toe and too elevated at the heel. Two factory decisions that cause foot, knee, and hip problems for serious hikers. Topo was built to fix both. The Traverse retails for $145. Wide anatomical toe box. Vibram Mega Grip outsole. The highest rated grip rubber in independent testing. 5mm heel drop, instead of the industry standard 10 to 12 millimeters. According to the Trek's annual Appalachian Trail survey, the Topo Traverse was the second most popular shoe on the Appalachian Trail in 2025. Not popular at REI. Popular among people who walked 2,000 miles and tested every alternative. Why it is a gold mine, built by Vibram's former CEO. Second most popular on the Appalachian Trail. Vibram Mega Grip at $30 less than Salomon. Quick one. If you like finding gear that the big brands don't want you to know about. Number 3 was literally born in a toaster oven and became the most popular shoe on every major thru-hiking trail in America. Subscribe to the Trail Standard. We find the gold mines every week. Back to it. Number 3, Altra. Altra was founded in 2011 in Logan, Utah by Golden Harper, a runner so frustrated by elevated heel shoes that he baked the heel out of a pair in a toaster oven to test his theory. His mother was not happy. The experiment launched a company. The Lone Peak 9 retails for $145. Foot-shaped toe box wider than any mainstream hiking shoe at this price. Zero-drop platform. Max Track outsole rated excellent on loose dirt, rock, and mud. The Lone Peak has been the most popular shoe on the Appalachian Trail, the Pacific Crest Trail, and the Continental Divide Trail for multiple consecutive years. Not popular at REI. Popular among people who walked 3,000 miles and tested every alternative with their own feet. When the people who know shoes best consistently choose Altra over Salomon and Morel, that is not an opinion. That is the most reliable gear test on Earth. Why it is a gold mine, born from a toaster oven. Most popular shoe on all 3 major U.S. thru-hiking trails. $30 less than Salomon. Number 2 has been making shoes since 1898 and just built outsole technology that Merrell charges $160 for and still does not match. Number 2. Saucony Peregrine. Saucony was founded in 1898 in Kutztown, Pennsylvania. 125 years of footwear engineering. That foundation shows in every version of the Peregrine. The Peregrine 16 retails for $140. The PWR Track outsole uses a dual compound rubber system, softer rubber for grip on hard surfaces and harder rubber for durability on abrasive terrain. 2 compounds in the same outsole. Merrell does not offer this at $140. Columbia does not offer this at $160. Saucony does at $20 less than Merrell. Clever Hiker, after 100,000 miles of team testing, specifically noted the midsole holds its cushioning significantly longer than the Merrell Moab. A shoe that feels the same at mile 400 as mile 1 was engineered to last, not engineered to sell. For anyone who has replaced Moabs after 300 miles, the Peregrine is the discovery that makes you angry about every dollar you spent before finding it. Why it is a gold mine. 125 years of engineering. Dual compound outsole Merrell does not offer. Midsole that outlasts the Moab at $20 less. And number 1, named best of 2026 by Gear Junkie, weighs less than a water bottle, costs $45 less than Salomon, and most hikers have never heard of it. Number 1. Lem's Shoes. Lem's Shoes was founded in 2010 in Boulder, Colorado by Andrew Rademacher, a designer convinced the entire industry was building shoes for factory lasts rather than human feet. He started Lem's to fix that. The Trailblazer retails for $130. Gear Junkie named it the best wear anywhere hiking shoe of 2026. It weighs 9.4 ounces per shoe. The Merrell Moab weighs 12.5 ounces. The Salomon X Ultra 5 weighs 13.5 ounces. Weight on your feet expends 5 times more energy than the same weight in your pack. Every extra ounce costs you more energy per mile than an extra ounce in your backpack. Wide toe box, zero drop platform. Outsole rated excellent on hard and soft surfaces. $130, $45 less than Salomon, and $30 less than the Moab. Lightest shoe on this list. Widest shoe on this list. Best of 2026. If you have been paying Salomon prices for a heavier, narrower shoe, the Lem's Trailblazer is the discovery that makes you question every dollar you spent before finding it. Why it is a gold mine. 9.4 ounces. Best wear anywhere hiking shoe of 2026. $45 less than Salomon. 7 brands. All ignored. All gold mines. The Adidas Terex for Gore-Tex at $120. 0 for Zero Drop with a 5,000-mile warranty. Oboes for Montana Trail Engineering at $45 less than Salomon. Topo Athletic built by Vibram's former chief executive officer. Ultra for the shoe thru-hikers choose on every major United States trail. Saucony for dual compound outsole rubber Merrell does not offer. And Lem's for the lightest, widest hiking shoe of 2026. Drop the shoe you are currently hiking in and tell me if you have ever heard of any of these 7. Let's find out how many gold mines your gear bag is missing. Out.